Welcome, aspiring pilots. Today, we're diving into the world of flight simulator on the PS5. Get ready for an incredible journey through the skies. Before we take off, let's check out the system requirements and what you can expect for optimal performance on the PS5. So, how do you get started? Follow our step-by-step guide on installing the game and setting it up for the first time. Master the skies with our overview of the PS5 controller layout for flight simulator, ensuring you're ready for takeoff. Next up, let's explore in-game navigation. Learn how to utilize the map and flight planning tools effectively. It's time to choose your wings. Explore the array of available aircraft and their unique characteristics. Enhance your flying experience by adjusting the realistic weather and flight conditions for true immersion. Connect with others. Discover how to join friends and other players in exciting flight missions. Looking for more? Explore DLCs, add-ons, and community mods that can enhance your gameplay experience. Every great pilot needs great advice. Here are some essential tips and tricks to help you master flight mechanics and landing. Thanks for flying with us. We hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the skies.